Hi, it's me, the girl who made the SAUCELID into a necklace and a key charm. You all ask me what did I use. This is what I use at Walmart. Self-sell lemonade. And they have smaller one too. You do not need heat the big one. This is good. They also have leather beads you can put it on.
Girl did some arts and crafts, and everyone going wild lul.
It's very sturdy, her plastic. Oh shoot. Okay.
I saw someone make them into earrings too.
I'm gonna stop the glue paper here so I don't waste the rest of it.
Thanks you for the idea. I love it. I'm going to try it 3. Think about it. It's helping the environment. Less trash in the ocean and it looks cute.